Hi everyone, I'm Castella. Today I'm gonna show you how to eat natto and how to use chopsticks about stirring. Natto is one of the most popular Japanese fermented food. It's fermented soybeans. Natto is sold in a small pack. 3 packs are common, like this. You can buy this natto. You can buy natto at any supermarket and convenience store in Japan. The price of natto is about 100 yen, so almost $1. So it's very cheap, but so healthy. All right, let's try natto. Natto sauce and mustard are usually included. Lots of people remove this plastic film like this. Like this. If you do like that, probably you're gonna make your table dirty with the strings of natto. It's better to remove this plastic film like this. Slide it to the top. Alright? Slide it to the top, like this. Next, hold one chopstick like a pencil. And then hold the other chopstick at the base of the thumb and ring finger. And a little bit slide the tip of the thumb, like this. Starting with chopsticks is not so difficult. It's almost the same as spoon or something. And add natto sauce. And some people use mustard. I'd say mustard go well with sandwiches or hot dogs or burgers or something. But I'd say about natto, no mustard is better. So today I don't use mustard. Yeah, I'll mix it. Okay, you can eat it. But many people add some toppings for natto. Today I'm gonna show you the most basic and the most my favorite toppings for natto. This vegetable is called negi in Japanese. I heard it's so difficult to find negi out of East Asian countries. So today I call it negi. It's a Japanese word. All right. So I'm gonna show you how to add this negi to natto. First, wash it. Next, cut it. Like this. And then add negi to natto. Final topping is ajipon. Ajipon is probably the most popular ponzu. Ponzu is so popular Japanese seasoning. And final stirring. Okay. Yes. Okay. Usually, Japanese people eat natto on rice. Like this. Sometimes we eat natto on spaghetti or some bread, but rice is more common. Okay. Okay. Let's eat. Mmm. It's a little bit smelly and sticky, but it's so flavorful and healthy. So I recommend you never smell it before eating. Eating fast is so important about natto, alright? Mmm. So nice. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.